Hi guys, in today's video, I will show you how to create a YouTube intro on your iPhone using Light MV. First, go to your web browser on your iPhone device, then visit LightMV's website. Then choose a template that you want to use on your video. Next, upload your photo by clicking the plus sign button on the interface. Then edit the captions according to your choice. Once done, click the produce button to create a video, then wait for it to be processed. And that's how you create a YouTube intro on your iPhone using Light MV. Thanks for watching!